everyone, welcome back to our maths class. Today we are discussing about the similar triangles, criteria for similarity of triangles. As the previous class we studied that two triangles are similar if their corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are in the same ratio, then that two triangles are similar. Then you already know that three angles are there, then three sides are there. So some criteria are there. Accordingly, we can say that triangles are similar or not. In the 9th standards, we studied that concurrency of triangle, concurrent triangles. There also we studied some criteria for concurrency of triangles, SAS, ASA, like that we studied. Here also for similarity of triangles also, like that some criteria are there, we will discuss. Then and for similarity of concurrency of two triangles, we know that triangle ABC, we will utilize this PQR. Then this will be the concurrent. How we can read this? Triangle ABC concurrent to triangle PQR. For the similarity, we will use triangle ABC. This only you want to use triangle PQR. Here also we can mark triangle. Triangle ABC similar to this only you want to write similar to triangle PQR. Then next we can look the criteria for similarity of two triangles. First one is, here I have drawn two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Triangle A equal to triangle, angle A is equal to angle D. That is the meaning. Here I wrote one mark only. That means angle A is equal to angle D. Angle A is equal to angle D. Then angle B is equal to angle E. Two lines I have written here also. That means angle B equal to angle E and angle C equal to angle F. Then you got the three corresponding angles of one triangle are equal to another triangles, three angles. Then these two triangles are similar and these rules are known as three angles. So AAA similarity criterion. AAA similarity criterion or AAA similarity rule. That means the three angles of one triangle are equal to the three angles of another triangle. Then that two triangles will be similar and this rule is known as AAA similarity criterion. So our first rule is AAA similarity rule. Second one is, you already know that if two angles of a triangle are equal, then automatically the third angle also will be equal because sum of the three angles you want to get 180 degree. So if two angles of another similarity rule is, if two angles of one triangle are equal to two angles of another triangle, then the sides ratio will be equal, then that two triangles will be similar. We already studied that similar condition for the similarity of two triangles. Corresponding angles will be equal and the corresponding sides ratio also will be equal. So I already told that if two triangles angles are equal, then that two triangles are known as equiangular triangle. If in an equiangular triangle, the sides ratio also will be minimum two sides ratio will be same. So first case we studied that AAA similarity rule. Second one I already told, if two angles of one triangle are equal to two angles of another triangle, then sides ratio will be equal. Sides ratio will be proportional or equal. Then that two triangles will be similar. That rule is known as AA, 2A, AA similarity criterion. Then two similarity criteria for similarity of triangle we discussed now too. If three angles of a triangle are equal to another three angles of a triangle, then the sides ratio will be proportional or that two triangles will be similar, that is AAA similarity rule. If two angles Automatically you already know that third angles also will be equal because sum of the three angles will be 180 degree. Then next rule will be two angles of a triangle are equal to two angles of another triangle. Then the two triangles will be similar. That is known as AAA similarity criterion or rule. Third one is here I have written two triangles A, B, C and D, E, F. Then I am saying given that AB by this is its corresponding AB by DE is equal to AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF. This is the corresponding sides ratio are given equal. That means ABC are the triangle, DEF are the other triangle. In the case of a concurrency of a triangle, we are looking the sides length. But here we are looking the corresponding sides ratio. That means first AB by DE is equal to BC by EF and AC by DF. These are the corresponding sides ratio. In two triangles, the corresponding sides ratio are equal, then the two triangles will be similar. This is known as the SSS criterion rule. SSS similarity, SSS similarity criterion. Third one SSS similarity criterion. This is the third rule. Then what is this rule? If the sides ratio of two triangles are corresponding sides ratio of two triangles are equal, then their corresponding angles also you will get equal, then that two triangles will be similar. This rule is known as SSS criterion rule. You want to get the sides ratio equal, then automatically the corresponding angles also you will get become equal, then that two triangles will be similar. This is known as SSS criterion rule. Next one, I am taking AB by DE equal to AC by DF and angle A is equal to angle D. Thus we got for two triangles that which are this AB, this other side AB by DE. AB by DE is equal to this side AC by DF and including this angle A is equal to angle D. Then what we want to say, two corresponding sides ratio are equal and it's including angle also you got equal, then that two triangles will be similar. That rule is known as SAS similarity rule. SAS similarity criterion. Once again, AB by DE is equal to AC by DF and that including these two sides ratio are equal. Corresponding side AB by DE is equal to AC by DF and that including angle, that is angle A is equal to angle D, then that two triangles will be similar. That rule is known as SAS similarity rule. These are the criteria for similarity of triangles. Which are the criteria? AAA similarity criteria, 2A, that is AAA similarity criterion, third one SSS similarity criterion and fourth one SAS similarity criterion. Next question. This is a figure given. If PQ parallel to RS, thus PQ and RS are given parallel lines. Prove that triangle POQ, this triangle and SOR, these two triangles you want to show that similar triangle. Triangle POQ similar to triangle SOR. Then PQ parallel to RS. two parallel lines are cut by a transversal PS. PS is a transversal. Then what we can write? Angle P is equal to angle S. Because these two PQ parallel to RS and PS is a transversal. So what we can write? Angle P equal to angle S. The reason is alternate interior angles. Next will be, then we can write angle P equal to angle S. Next will be angle Q is equal to angle R. Again, these two are parallel lines. QR is a transversal. So, this angle and angle Q. Angle Q is equal to angle R. Angle Q is equal to angle R. Then now you got two angles equal. Then also we can say that by a similarity that two triangles are similar. If you want, you can say that these two angles, angle POQ is equal to angle ROS. What will be the reason? Vertically opposite angles. Here also we can show that two triangles are similar. If you want, you can show the third angle also. Angle POQ is equal to angle ROS. The reason is vertically opposite angles. Then triangle POQ similar to triangle SOR by what is the rule? AAA similarity rule. AAA by AAA similarity rule, that two triangles are similar. Once again, PQ parallel to RS, PS is a transversal, then angle P is equal to angle S, alternate interior angles, then again angle Q is equal to R, that also alternate interior angles, these two angles also equal, vertically opposite angles, then angle POQ similar to angle SOR. While writing the similarity, in the concurrency rule we studied that when you are writing that rule, this way concurrent like that time also the corresponding angles and corresponding sides we want to get from this writing. Here also just look, angle P equal to angle S here, angle Q is equal to angle R are also coming, POQ is equal to angle ROS. So this order also want to look while you are writing the similarity of two triangles. Is it clear now? Next we can look one more question. Triangle ABC and PQR is given. You want to find the angle P. This angle you want to find out. How we can find out this? First we can look the sides ratio we can look. I am writing AB by RQ. I am writing AB is 3.8. This will be 7.6. This is equal to 1 by 2. Then I am writing AB by RQ. I have already written. Next I am writing BC by PQ. BC by PQ is equal to 6 by 12. That is equal to 1 by 2. Next one more side is remaining. That is AC by PR. AC by PR. AC by PR is equal to AC how much? 3 root 3 by 6 root 3. Root 3 and root 3 we can cut, 3 by 6 that's equal to 1 by 2. Then we got all the sides ratio we got equal. So these two triangles are similar by SSS similarity rule. Because 3 sides ratio you got equal. So whichever the ratio I am writing here, AB by RQ is equal to BC by PQ is equal to AC by PR. AC by PR. This is the ratio we got equal. So these two triangles are similar by SSS similarity rule. Then next I am going to write this similar. Triangle ABC similar to. I am writing here triangle ABC similar to. Can you write a PQR? Just look. Here AB's corresponding side is RQ. Here I have written AB. So first you want to write as RQ. Triangle RQ. Then just look. Next will be BC by PQ. Here BC. So what you want to write here? P. PQ or QP both are same. AB by RQ you want to get. So first AB then RQ. If you are writing PQR it will be ABC similar to PQR. If you are writing that will be wrong. Because that order also you want to look. AB here RQ. Next will be BC. BC coming. Here you want to get PQ. Here we are getting QP. No problem. PQ and QP are same. Next we want to get AC by PR. AC then PR or RP you are getting. So triangle ABC similar to triangle RQP. What is the rule? By SSS similarity rule. By SSS similarity rule, these two triangles. Then if two triangles are similar, you got the sides ratio also, then corresponding angles also will be similar. So what you can write? Angle A equal to angle R, angle B equal to angle Q. So angle C equal to angle P. We want to find out the angle P. So angle C and angle P are the corresponding angles, that two will be equal. How we can find out angle C? By the angle sum property. Angle C equal to 180 minus 80 plus 60. 80 plus 60. That is 180 minus 140. You are getting angle C equal to 40 degree. So angle P also will be equal to 40 degree. Angle P equal to 40 degree. Next instance, given OA dot means into OA into OB is equal to OC into OD. Show that angle A equal to angle C and angle B equal to angle D. That you want to show that. Given that OA dot OB, that means OA into OB is equal to OC into OD. If you want, you can write this OA by OC. I have taken this OA by OC equal to OD by OB. If you are cross multiplying, you are getting same. OA into OB is equal to OC into OD. I have taken this way. OA by OC equal to OD by OB. OA means this side OA and OC means this one. These are the two sides, and OD means this one and OB means this. These are the two sides you got. Its ratio equal. Then we can write this one and this are the vertically opposite angle. That is angle AOD is equal to angle B. Angle AOD is equal to angle COB. The reason is vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. That also you got equal. Here two sides ratio you got equal, and the angle including that side also you got equal. Then these two triangles are similar. Just look. So triangle AOD similar to triangle COB by which rule? By SAS similarity rule. SAS similarity rule. By SAS similarity rule. Just look, is it okay now? AO by CO or OC. OD by OB, that also getting. Angle AOD equal to angle COB. Then while you are writing the similarity, you want to look this corresponding angles and corresponding sides ratio also. You want to getting equal or not, that also you want to check. Then you got these two triangles are similar. You want to show that angle A equal to angle C. Then we can write angle A equal to angle C. Then angle B equal to angle D. What will be the reason? Similar triangles corresponding angles. Corresponding angles of a similar triangle. Corresponding angles of a similar triangle. Corresponding angles of a similar triangles. Is it okay now? Thank you, children.